It is October Orton unta or. I believe it's part X of my video of riding the Amtrak Borealis Train from Crosse, Wisconsin to St. Paul. I switched over to the phone, which I'll be using for the rest of my way into St. Paul. There's a little bit of a smudge on the window, unfuckingfortunately, but I have to make the best of that. Yeah, those orange leaves on the trees are fucking cool. So just past Red Wing. Should be passing Turtle Lake, because I think it's oh god, I forgot the name of the casino. Treasure Island. I'm glad I got most of my videos in. Didn't eat the greatest though, but it'll hold me till I get home. God, the smudge in that window fucking sucks. Wish it wasn't there. Too bad I had to sit backwards, but at least I'm getting my videos in. And the orange leaves on the trees are fucking cool. There ain't much of a fall anymore. It's not like that for, I don't know, if 10 years. Yeah.
St. Paul coming up next, folks. 30 minutes or so. St. Paul. St. Paul next time.
It's I say the past, at least if to non-leaves. It seems like the leaves go from green to brown and then they fall off.
St. Paul next stop, folks. End of the line, St. Paul next stop.
Oh, too bad you got that smudge of shit on mouth. Yeah, it seems like the video is blurry. There's the inside of the Tron. Charging the phone up fully up on the DJI camera. I won't be using it the rest of the day anyway. But let's get more battery in there.
Wait, how do you know that? Did I tell you that? Oh yeah.
Well, that might be where the casino is. Treasure Island. Oh my god, the tip of that church looks kind of like a penis. I noticed, I'm so glad I have Asperger's because I notice things like that. Yeah, there's the casino. They have a buffet there, but it's kind of fucking expensive. I had to pay $4, and they don't take cash either. So it's kind of an expensive buffet. Yeah, this is a good time of year to ride the Tron. It's probably about as good as the fall colors are going to get. Because the green leaves will just turn, it seems like, what, it has something probably to do with the climate change or something with them. It seems like the leaves just change from green to brown and then they fall off the trees. It looks nicer here than Florida. Oh, I forgot to check the dew point in Florida. I know it's still horrible. It's still in heaven. It's still horrible. I look forward to copying my videos when I get home. Oh, it sucks that shit on the window makes it low. Affects the ability to see things good, but hopefully not much of that gets in the video. And I'm sitting going backwards. I prefer to go forward, but that's someone's in the forward seats. I'd have to sit next to someone. And they might be triggered with the colorful language that I use. It might. A lot of people are fragile and they just can't handle that. Yeah, there's a black dot in the window. Well, it's on the outside. I can't do anything about it. So that's going to be in the way of the video, unfuckingfortunately, but I'm going to make videos the rest of the way up into St. Paul. Sure is interesting that you can now get to Chicago at least easier. When they had just the Empire Builder, it was more difficult to get seats and everything. And black dot sucks. So I got 4K cameras. I am not sure how to prevent blurriness and fast-moving videos. I think maybe the shutter speed. Yeah, I'm slow learning how to do these things. Next time, hopefully, I'll know how to. Before I ride Metro next spring, hopefully I'll be able to figure that out. Supposed to be in the Tron is kind of late, so it's supposed to be in St. Paul by Exerta. But I'll just copy my videos when I get home and go to Dreamland, go to sleep. Cat's gonna need his insulin. Where's the big battery on enough? I can't see it. Extra percent. Charge is kind of slow, but at least charges. Tron is going real fast. Yeah, the orange leaves on the trees are fucking cool. Well, I'm going to stop this. I think this is going to be a part Evan after this.